Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Peter Rassenti Small Nirvana 3.0 for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like this video. Maybe don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed to, and check this out because I'm keeping bringing to you this kind of goodness over here. That's the Peter Rassenti box. It's magnetic, comes with some padding right there. Pretty cool, classy, simple, and check this out, guys. That is the Small Nirvana 3.0 from Peter Rassenti. It's a custom knife made in Canada, and it's just fantastic. This one is the very last Nirvana 3.0 being made because maybe something is new around the corner coming out, and this is a titanium frame lock. Really cool indeed. I mean, the look is just fantastic. I love this blade shape. This handle has been contoured, as you can see, so it's not as sharp as this guy over here, which is the large Nirvana. And you can see that's a little bit different. Of course, this is a full dress, but this is just nicely done and not as sharp in the hand, and it's a nice stone washed frame, zirconium pivot collar, zirc hardware, and of course you've got a mirror washed blade. This is CPM 154, and it has been stone washed and then mirror polished to like this level where you can kind of see the powder of the metal. Fantastic jimping, really aggressive, absolutely functional. Nice tip-up carry only titanium milled pocket clip, which is also flowing beautifully like that, as you can see. You've got Peter Rassenti's signature right underneath the clip, which I think it's just a classy touch. Perfectly centered blade. This is a fantastic hollow grind drop point. Look at this belly, super thin behind the edge. Let's just quickly check the size on this guy over here. So overall length of this one is going to be 7 inches with a 3-inch long blade, maybe like 2.9-inch long cutting edge, and I would say 4 inches in length for the handle, which it's equivalent to 18 centimeters overall in length, 7.5 for the cutting edge, and 10 for the blade. And let's just quickly check the weight on this guy because it's a fantastic carry in the pocket. Just kind of like, look at that, 3 ounces, like perfect carry for the summer. I would say it's a very unobtrusive knife, really elegant at the same time. It's the Small Nirvana 3.0 by Peter Rassenti. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.